Hey everyone, Brad here from AV Imagine, and I'm standing in front of the brand new Hudson Cafe here in Troy, Michigan, and we've done not 1, 2, but 3 locations across Metro Detroit. The food is fantastic, the vibe is incredible, you're gonna have to go check it out. So during the construction phase, we wired the location for CAT, coax, and speaker wire so that they have the right infrastructure for all their low voltage needs. And in order to provide a rich and balanced sound throughout the space, we've installed pendant speakers that fit perfectly with the aesthetics of the ceiling. And in order to have clean audio inside and outside of the space, we've also included outdoor speakers. So each of the 3 locations have 7 to 10 displays, all that can provide different content on every screen. And at the front entrance of every location, you might notice a vertical display. This is perfect for displaying menu items, specials, and displaying content that's perfect for getting your customers' appetite whet. And at the back of the Northville location, we've installed a projection system and projection screen that drops from the ceiling, such that customers can rent out and host private events. And in order to help Hudson Cafe with their day-to-day operations, we've installed a robust internet system and POS system. So if you're looking for a great lunch or breakfast experience in anywhere of Metro Detroit, check out Hudson Cafe.